Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Office Word document. Format Painter is in the Home tab in Clipboard group. It is Format Painter, just like a painter. Format Painter, we use it to apply the formatting of a specific text to another text, to apply the formatting of paragraph to another paragraph, of a word to another word. So how to use it? Let's try an example. This is an example. As you see, these two different paragraphs have different formatting in fonts, in size, in bolding as well. We want to apply the formatting of this paragraph to this paragraph. How to do it? First of all, we need to click on the paragraph that we like. We like this one. We click on this paragraph. Then we come to Home tab, Clipboard group, and click on Format Painter. Then we select the text that we want to apply the format to it. As you see, the formatting of the text we like it applied to the one that we selected. This is all about using Format Painter. Don't forget at the end to like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.